Going to the library to return a book.
Did you go to the library to return your book?
Yes, I went there yesterday afternoon.
Were you able to return it on time?
Just barely. I returned it on the due date.
That's good. Did you borrow anything new?
Yes, I picked up a novel I've been wanting to read.
Going to the airport for a flight.
Did you go to the airport to get your flight? Was your flight delayed?
Yes, I went, and the flight was delayed by 3 hours.
That's so frustrating. What did you do while waiting?
I grabbed a coffee and read a book to pass the time.
At least you made the best of it.
True, but I was exhausted when I finally arrived.
Going on a day trip to Edinburgh Castle.
Did you go on a day trip to see Edinburgh Castle?
Yes, I went there last weekend with some friends.
How was it?
Amazing. The views and the history were incredible.
That sounds wonderful. Did you take lots of pictures?
Yes, I'll show you later.
Going to the kitchen to put frozen food in the freezer.
Did you go to the kitchen to put the frozen food in the freezer?
Yes, I went right after getting home from the supermarket.
Did everything fit?
Barely. I had to reorganize the freezer a bit.
That's always a challenge. At least it's done now.
Exactly.
Going to the bathroom to clean.
Did you go to the bathroom to clean it from top to bottom?
No, I didn't go there to clean today.
Why not? Isn't it your turn?
I'll do it tomorrow. I didn't have time today.
Fair enough. Just don't forget.
I won't.
Going to the bathroom to take a bath.
Did you go to the bathroom to take a bath?
Yes, I went there after a long day at work.
Did it help you relax?
It was amazing. I even used some bath salts.
That sounds so nice. You deserve it.
Thanks, I feel much better now.
Going to the bedroom to sleep.
Did you go to your bedroom to go to sleep?
No, I didn't go to sleep right away.
Why not? Were you too busy?
Kind of. I ended up watching a show on my phone.
You need to get more rest.
I know. I'll go to bed earlier tonight.
Going to the living room to watch football.
Did you go to the living room to watch the football?
Yes, I went there as soon as the match started.
How was the game?
It was intense, but my team won.
That's great. Did you watch it alone?
No, I watched it with a couple of friends.
Going to the kitchen to make dinner.
Did you go to the kitchen to make dinner?
Yes, I went there around 7 p.m.
What did you make?
Pasta with a creamy sauce. It turned out great.
That sounds delicious. Did everyone enjoy it?
They did. There were no leftovers.
Going to the bathroom to take a shower.
Did you go to the bathroom to take a shower?
Yes, I went right after my workout.
Did it feel good to freshen up?
Absolutely. I felt like a new person afterward.
Showers always help after a long day.
They really do.